Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata and you need to remove or replace the rear window switch. Stay with us, we will explain how to do that step by step, guys. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. If you need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save quite a bit of money. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So first step, right here under the door handle there is a cap that we need to go ahead and pry open. So check it out, comes out, okay, just like that. Under that cap there is a hidden screw right here with a Phillips screwdriver. Now let's go ahead, okay, open another hidden cap right here in the door handle. You go there in the hole and you pry it open with a flathead screwdriver, comes out. I'm trying to go ahead and see if I can, okay, if I can focus so you can see, okay, where we are. Now on top we're removing the screw. The moment we remove that screw we need to switch to the other one. This door panel is pretty simple, guys, but once in a while when you remove them you may break clips. Why? Because clips, okay, will be exposed to hot climate, let's say cold as well. That makes the plastic fragile, so eventually they can break. So what I would recommend, okay, if you break a clip, replace it. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get door panel replacement clips for a really good price, and that way you won't have that rattly door panel, okay, because that's, I just hate when vehicles rattle, guys, and most of the times will be because of something like that. Panel removal tool, go under somewhere, okay, and okay, you start prying it open. Once you do that, okay, 1 second, okay, here, okay, we need to remove that cap first, guys, okay, before we leave the panel, because that panel will need to slide up. So that cap, okay, we will need to go ahead, okay, probably on this side right here, go underneath it and pry it open. Perfect. It has only 2 friction clips, okay, one here, one there. They go in these holes. Now we can go ahead, okay, and lift that panel all the way up. Oh, another thing, one more screw, guys, hidden. That's why it's a good thing to always watch, guys, until the end, because if you don't, okay, you can see what can happen, okay. And let's see if we can open, okay, this one and see how we're going to get it out. So right here we need to open that cap. Okay, and right here another screw, guys, little bitty Phillips screwdriver screw. So 3 screws, that's crazy. The front door panel has only 2, the rear has 3 on this car. So let's go ahead, remove that one, okay, it will come with that plastic cap. Perfect. Now you can pry, guys. So first remove all 3 screws, then start prying, okay, because, okay, otherwise, okay, you can break things. Now some of the clips will fall apart and you will see that. What we need to do next, right here, those are the cables, okay, for locking and unlocking the car and opening. All you have to do, press to the front here, they come in an angle, okay, and you pull them out. You can see just like that. So now another one is the window switch cable. Press down and release it and the door panel came out. Now let's explain here about the clips, okay, how many clips you have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 broken, 9 here. Now that broken one is right here. We can get a clip removal too. This one probably was replaced. Okay, let's go ahead. I cannot do it with the left hand. This one broke, we need to install a new one. Okay, this one is the wrong type of clip. I think somebody replaced it, okay. That chewed all the way to the back. So all we have to do, get a new clip, install it on the door panel later and push it in. So once you remove the door panel, that's where the switch is located for the rear windows, guys. Pretty simple, okay. If your rear window doesn't work, it could be that switch. It will not work from the front ones as well, so always make sure everything's connected later as well. If you have a loose wire somewhere, it will not work again. So let's go ahead, remove that one. Perfect. Grab the switch now and it comes out just like that. Pretty simple, guys. Now if you need help with anything, let us know. Putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.